Hi, I'm Thayne Jasperson from the original cast of Hamilton on Broadway. I play Samuel Seabury, and arts and education is very essential. There are many of us humans who tend to express ourselves artistically, and we have it in our blood that we need to cultivate and learn and be able to appreciate that from a young age. I remember being young and always wanting to dance and sing and act and create dances with my friends, and I started to, and then I quit because all my friends were making fun of me, and it wasn't the cool thing to do. And so then I had to try to leave all that behind and not do it to try and fit in and to be popular, which always made me lose my sense of self. I feel like through school I wasn't really embracing the powers that I had or the artistic nature that I had. And if we take that out of the school, it's like taking away voices from each of these humans who is going to grow up to be the next president or the next Broadway actor or whatever it is that they're going to grow up to be, supreme judge. And we need these humans who, whether they are involved in the arts just in school, whether they continue on with it afterwards, we need to give them that opportunity because it teaches them a way of expression and it teaches them self-confidence and a sense of belonging. And it's very important. And so I am very pro keeping arts and education forever and always. Amen.